everyone, and welcome to Maggie's Meals from Melissa's. We all love guacamole, but we don't love buying all the ingredients, so why not just get them in one quick and easy Melissa's Guacamole Kit? Once you've got the kit, this recipe is pretty self-explanatory and it's on the box. But I'm going to give you a couple of my favorite tips for making a delicious guacamole. Start by dicing up the shallot. That way you can marinate it in some lime juice while you're preparing the rest of your ingredients. And squeeze some lime juice over our diced shallots. While our shallots are marinating, we'll chop up everything else. Take the Roma tomato. I like to scoop out the seeds to prevent some moisture from getting in on guacamole. Dig out some of these seeds from the tomato. Dice up this tomato. Time to dice up the garlic, the jalapeno. Add as much or as little of that jalapeno as you'd like. I'm gonna add about half the jalapeno. Nothing too crazy. And finally, the star of the show, the avocados. Scoop these beautiful avocados into our bowl. Just scored the avocado before scooping them out so they're in nice little chunks. And now I'm gonna use this somewhat giant fork to get everything mixed together. Mash the avocado while you do this until it's the texture that you want. I'm gonna add some Melissa's Hatch Pepper seasoning. This is mild. This gives it a great flavor, a great mix of seasonings. One-stop shop right here, just like our guacamole kit. This guacamole is so good as is, or you could add mango, roasted hatch peppers, whatever else you'd like. Now I've got one more fun tip for you. Have you ever seen these fresh jackfruit pods? They're so good and you can eat them right out of the container, but I've also been using them as chips for my guacamole. They add a nice bright flavor and they work just like a chip. I'll see you next time.